Welcome to Getting Started with Zoom, brought to you by the Halton Hills Public Library. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to join a Zoom call and make the most of your virtual meeting experience. Zoom is a cloud-based teleconferencing app that launched in 2013. Its ability to connect employees in different geographical locations made it popular with businesses. Today, it is also popular with the general public. A Zoom account is not required to participate in meetings. However, you need a Zoom account to schedule and host a meeting. Zoom's free account is ideal for non-business use. Sign up with your email address or connect your Google or Facebook account. Whether you plan to host or participate, it's important to understand how Zoom works. Imagine the Zoom app as an office building. Inside the building are numerous offices, all identified by a unique room number and overseen by a receptionist. This structure is the foundation of Zoom's virtual meetings. The host is the person who sets up your Zoom meeting. Like a receptionist, they schedule the meeting and send you the date, time, and location. The host also monitors who enters the meeting room and can take action if there is suspicious activity. The meeting ID refers to your virtual room number. When you receive an invitation for a Zoom meeting, take note of the meeting ID. You will need this number to join the meeting. Just like in a real office, you may encounter a waiting room. If this happens, know that your host will allow you into the meeting when they are ready to begin. Many meetings also have a password. The password acts like a security guard and prevents people from Zoom bombing or wandering into your meeting uninvited. If your invitation contains a password, keep this information with your meeting ID. Everyone has an important role to play in the security of your Zoom meeting. The details of your meeting should never be shared in a public location, such as on social media. It is also recommended that the meeting host always generate a random meeting ID and password. This ensures that no two meetings have the same virtual location. Now that we've covered the basics, let's join a meeting. First, you need to install Zoom. The app is available for iPhone, iPad, Android, and more. Today I am demonstrating on a Windows 10 computer. Your version of Zoom may look slightly different, but it will include the features we discuss. We recommend making a test call to get comfortable with Zoom on your device. After you've installed Zoom, open the app on your device. If you have an account, sign in now. If you don't have an account, simply click Join a Meeting. Enter the meeting ID into the first box. In the next box, enter your name. If you are on a phone or tablet, it is common to find the name of your device already in this field. Delete the device name and enter your name instead. As you will see, this name appears on everyone's screens. Be sure to pick something recognizable so everyone knows who has joined the meeting. You can also set your preferences for future meetings on this screen. For some people, keeping their camera and microphone off when they enter a meeting is an important security feature. If you select this option, you will need to manually turn the camera and microphone on later. Once you've selected your preferences, click Join. This meeting requires a password. Type the 6-digit number into the box and then click Join Meeting. Zoom will request permission to turn on your microphone. Click Join to enter the meeting with your microphone already on. We've now successfully entered into our Zoom meeting. Immediately, we can see that there are two participants in this Zoom call. Click on the participants icon in the bottom menu to open up the participants window. The participants window allows you to see everyone involved in the conversation. This meeting is small, just our host, the Halton Hills Public Library, and myself. The name you chose earlier will appear in the participants window. If you are still using your device name, the host may ask you to identify yourself. They can then update your name in the participants window so everyone knows who has joined the meeting. In our meeting, the host has a green icon next to their name. This tells us that the Halton Hills Public Library is sharing their computer screen with us. The information is also displayed at the top of the screen. Share Screen is one of the collaborative tools that makes Zoom ideal for guest speakers or discussion groups. Here, we are viewing the library's website through Zoom. Beside my name are two icons, a microphone and a video camera. These icons allow you to quickly identify whether others can hear or see you. In this case, my microphone microphone is enabled, but my camera is turned off. Clicking the icons next to your name allows you to control whether your camera and microphone are turned on or off. Your host also has the ability to control your camera and microphone. This is ideal for organized activities like a book club. The microphone on your device picks up background noise. For this reason, the host may mute your microphone until you are ready to speak. This improves the quality of the call for everyone. Here's a tip. If you've joined the call on a Windows computer, simply click the spacebar to turn your microphone on and off. When it comes to troubleshooting, most issues with Zoom relate to the function of your microphone. If you suspect that nobody can hear you, Zoom's chat function allows you to easily connect with the host or the group. You can open the chat from the bottom menu. Your text message can be delivered privately to the host or publicly to the entire group. This makes the chat a great way to ask for help or to participate if your microphone isn't working. Another way to participate is to call into the meeting on a phone. In the information provided by your host, look for the one-tap mobile or dial by location numbers. These allow you to join the meeting as you would a regular phone call. Zoom offers two options for viewing the other people in your meeting: speaker view and gallery view. Telling the two apart is quite simple. In speaker view, you'll see the person talking in a large window and 4 other people in smaller windows across the top of your screen. If you want to see everyone in the meeting at the same time, switch to gallery view. You'll see an icon at the top of your screen that says gallery view. Click that to make the change. You should now see multiple people on your screen. This is gallery view. Zoom allows up to 49 people to appear at one time. However, on less powerful devices, you'll be limited to a smaller number of people. Now that you can do some simple troubleshooting, it's important to learn how to disconnect your device from a Zoom meeting. When you're ready to go, click the Leave Meeting icon located in the bottom menu. A confirmation message will appear on screen. Click Leave Meeting again to finish the call and disconnect your device. Your host can also end the meeting for the entire group. When this happens, you'll receive a notification message. As you can see, participating in a Zoom meeting is fairly straightforward. What follows are some extra steps you can take to improve the experience. Our first tip is to look at how your physical space is lit on camera. We recommend having a light source that is located in front of your face. This not only makes your face more visible, but also reduces glare from lights in the background. For a more flattering camera angle, position your camera at eye level. This can be achieved by setting your device on top of a stack of books. When you make a test call, look at what shows on screen. Remove items that reveal personal information or stick out oddly from behind your head. It's best to join a Zoom call from a quiet room. Turn off the television or radio and ask family members to talk in another room. For group discussions, raising your hand is considered good Zoom etiquette. This allows the host to call on people in an orderly manner. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. If you want to learn more about Zoom, we recommend checking out the Help Center on their website. The link is provided in the description box below. Thank you for joining us for Getting Started with Zoom. We hope this overview helps you better connect with your family and friends.